So instead of manually reading out the Reddit posts, they're using AI text-to-voice tools to do this. So we'll go step by step, and it's going to generate a video for us. You could probably do one of these in under 10 minutes a day. We'll do it together right here, right now. I found a YouTube channel that's making as much as $113,000 every single month, and all they're doing is reading other people's social media posts. This seems unbelievable. I know it was to me, but we did the research, and this guy is literally making a fortune. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you the exact steps that you can apply so that you can do this too. Now, don't worry. You're too nervous to go on camera or use your voice. Thanks to the power of AI, I'll show you how you can do this without ever having to record a single line. So the channel I'm talking about is called Am I the Jerk? And all he does is read popular Reddit posts. So he goes on reddit.com, finds interesting and entertaining posts, and he reads them aloud, and that's it. So now for his video footage, by the way, he doesn't even come on camera. It's just footage of someone playing a video game and he's talking over it. That's it. So let me show you an example. It's so simple, it's almost unbelievable, but I'll show you the numbers and the proof. This guy is crushing it with this really simple strategy, and he's not the only one. So this is just one of many people doing this, and you can do it too.
My entitled mother demanded I hand over my house to her because my little sister is pregnant and needs it more than I do. I'm a 31-year-old male and I have a 28-year-old sister that has honestly been the golden child to my mother, but not my father for as long as I can remember. My parents divorced when I was a teenager because my mother cheated with an old high school ex-boyfriend and has always been controlling, manipulative.
Okay, so as you can see, just some drama type of posts of people posting about their family drama on Reddit, and he's reading it aloud. And take a look at this. Do you see how many subscribers this channel has? 1.19 million subscribers. That is nuts. Now that video I just showed pulled in almost 10 million views. Now, assuming that they're getting paid what's called a CPM. CPM stands for cost per mil, which means cost per 1,000. So that means for every 1,000 video views that they get paid 10 bucks. That's kind of an average that we can pull up there. That would mean that that single video that we just played made $100,000. Now, as you'll notice, the odd thing is the video visuals had nothing to do with the content he was reading. It was just the caption of his words and him reading aloud on post. So you could certainly do that, and probably something a heck of a lot better. We could make the visuals at least be somewhat related to what we're talking about. Now, this has all been done in just 2 years. And if you check their Social Blade, so if you go to socialblade.com, you can search and learn about their statistics, and they'll give estimates of how much money they make. Now, Social Blade is an estimate. Sometimes it's high, sometimes it's low. But let me show you that, and we'll take a look and see what Social Blade says. So there's their Social Blade. And then based on this, they're making up to $113,000 in a single month. Okay, that is pretty darn crazy. Honestly, they're probably not pulling in $100,000 every single month, but let's say it's a fraction of that, and maybe every once in a while they might have a good month. That's a lot of cash flow. All that just for reading Reddit posts on top of video game footage. So what if you could do this, but without having to read anything on mic? And there are a lot of people doing this with the help of AI, and they're finding a lot of success. So instead of manually reading out the Reddit posts, they're using AI text-to-voice tools to do this. So I'd actually like to show you exactly how you do this. So we'll go step by step. We'll do it together right here, right now. So step number one, we're gonna find your social media posts. So this can be a popular post on Reddit. Reddit is not the only place you can go. There are other places that you could go to, but we're going to stick with Reddit for today. Now you can do this in any niche market. So Reddit is filled with thousands upon thousands of what they call subreddits. And so you'll see some, if you scroll over here under topics, you'll see examples of subreddits. So there's a bunch in gaming, sports, business, and so forth. There is not a niche market that you could not cover on Reddit. Every niche market that I've ever researched is on Reddit, and there's a subreddit for it. And in the subreddit, you have all the people that are posting content. Now, before the show, for the sake of speed, we picked out this little post here. It's in the entrepreneur subreddit, so it's about making money. You can pick one on any topic you want. All you need to do is go to a popular subreddit and sort it by top. Let's say, for example, I don't know, let's go over to gaming. Let's go to, I don't know, we'll go to Minecraft just for, I don't know, I'm just picking something random. So now I'm in this subreddit, and right here I can sort it by hot, new, top, rising, etc. So we go by top. So you just find the ones that you are interested in that fit the niche market you want to cover. And I would say stick with a topic. So if you're going to do entrepreneurial posts, then stick with that topic and read entrepreneurial posts. Don't jump around and try lots of different subjects. Stick on a topic. And now step 2 is actually have AI voice over this post. So we're going to make an AI voiceover. Now you could, if you wanted to just get out your mic and read it, cool, do that. But if you're not comfortable with that, we're going to get AI to do it for us. And we're going to use a tool called 11 Labs. It is my favorite voice tool by far. And all we have to do is take this post and we're going to have AI do the voiceover for us. We're using 11 Labs. And with 11 Labs, you just give it text and then the AI will turn that text into speech. And I'm going to just take that bit there and we're going to copy it. We're going to come over here to text and we're going to paste it. And like sometimes you might want to clean up a little bit of stuff, like we don't need that word in there, so we'll take that out. Then we can choose which voice we want. There's a variety of voices. So like here you can hear some of my presidential voices.
For falling in love.
There's Elon.
Kindness is more important than wisdom.
You must welcome change as the rule.
Don't be afraid to go out on a limb.
Any voices that you have loaded up, you can have access to. Those are custom voices that we put in there, or we can use any of the voices that they have.
In 3 words, I can sum up everything I've learned about life.
Anyway, we'll stick with Rachel for the moment. And then all you do is we're going to click generate. So it's now generating. It takes just a moment. Oh, that was fast.
For younglings, so they stop asking the same thing every other post. So you're a kindergarten student, or maybe a high school graduate, and you stumbled across a TikTok video of a multi-millionaire high school graduate with Lamborghini. They always have Lamborghinis. It's like the cheapest jet you can rent to fake a lifestyle. And you think you want to do the same thing? If yes, then this is your guide to becoming financially independent for the rest of your life. Step 1, graduating the high school.
Okay, so now that it is finished, we can come over here and we can download it. So there's our audio, that quick. I like 11 Labs because if you want to clone voices, make custom voices, they've got a huge library of voices. The quality of them are fantastic. In fact, many of them are indistinguishable. You can't tell they're AI. So you could clone your own voice, or you have a celebrity or a president or somebody read them. The lowest plan on 11 Labs starts as little as $5 a month. We're going to take this audio and we're going to put it into the next tool and go to step 3. So we're going to generate our visuals and our captions. And for that, we're using a tool called Lumen 5. Now that we have our audio file, we're going to generate the visuals. Now, the YouTube channel that I showed before, that actually just takes like stock video game footage. It's kind of boring, kind of not interesting. So instead, we're going to use Lumen 5 to generate some kind of related, on topic, interesting footage. And we can come over here. We're logged into our Lumen 5 account. We're going to click new video. We're going to just go with this template. And then right now we want voiceover. That's the one that we want to take. So now Lumen 5 actually will do voiceover for you. I just happen to really like using 11 Labs. So you can let Lumen 5 do everything. I don't know. I'm a fan of 11 Labs, so we're going to click voiceover. So now we can upload our voiceover. So it's going to give us a chance to find the download that we just did, upload. So now it is going to go in there. It is going to transcribe the audio, which is kind of funny. We went text to audio. Now we're going audio back to text, and it's going to generate a video for us. And I'm going to give it a minute. It takes a bit to do all this. It's creating multiple scenes. Oh, it's ready. So here we go. This is our video. And if we want to preview it, we just click the preview button up here at the top.
Guide to how become a millionaire. For younglings, so they stop asking the same thing every other post. So you're a kindergarten student, or maybe a high school graduate, and you stumbled across a TikTok video of a multi-millionaire high school graduate with land.
Okay, so there's an example. And you can also add captions to this. Lumen 5 will do your captions, so that will show over the top of the video. You can manually do captions, as you can see as we're going through here. It's even done little slides like that based on the audio. So all of these are scenes that it made for us. So at the click of a button, we can give it captions, we can edit how we polish it, how we want, and then export it. And that video you then upload to your socials and you're off. So there are many places that you could do this. You could do this on Instagram, you could do this on TikTok, you could do this on YouTube, whichever platform that you are most interested in. And each one kind of fits a different demographic better. Now, the key here is going to be consistency. You're going to find that it's going to take you uploading multiple times. Don't upload 3 of these and then go, oh, this doesn't work, I'm out of here. Instead, you're going to need to be in it for the long haul. Now, you can adjust. So if you find that as you're posting, you get a certain kind of video gets a little more traffic, post more videos like that. If there's a topic you cover that gets more traffic, post more like that. And you can adjust, adapt, and through consistency and persistence, you will build an audience. But it takes time. So there's so many people who are just short attention span. They want immediate overnight results. This is just not going to work that way. You could probably do one of these in under 10 minutes a day. So 10 minutes a day, make a video, pop it out there, get it out there, and it may take you some time, but you'll build an audience if you stick with it. I would recommend uploading pretty frequently. So at the beginning, you can upload even daily and just really monitor what is working and what is not. You see things that are not working, don't do them. If you upload a video and you get only 1 view, where others are maybe getting 10 or 20, then don't upload a video like that one again. And you saw the guy in our case study stuck with it for 2 full years, and he now has 1 million subscribers, but didn't start that way. He started with 0 and went through the painful effort of having to keep posting, even though you may not see immediate overnight success. So if you liked this content, you found it valuable, tap that like button you'll see down below. It helps us feed the YouTube algorithm so that they know that this content is worth sharing. We're building a really nice community here on YouTube. I'd love to have you be part of it. So also, you'll see down below a subscribe button. Give that a tap as well. And I would love to hear your questions about this. So if you have any follow-up questions or commentary about this strategy, or maybe another strategy you'd like me to cover, talk about it in the comments below, and I'll keep an eye out and be answering your comments when you make them. We'll see you next time. So for those of you who are not yet a PushButton AI customer, then you need to check this out. And all you need to do is go to pushbutton.ai/demo, pushbutton.ai/demo, and you can get a live one-on-one appointment to get on Zoom and see this powerful technology in action. And with PushButton AI, it will build an entire business from bottom to top. Everything you need, from your domain name to your logo to videos to audio lessons, an entire course that you can sell as your own, a 30-day email sequence that it writes. You can send a daily email for 30 days, all written by AI, and a whole lot more. It writes your sales page. If you're not sure how to write an expert sales page to convince people to buy stuff, it writes it for you. It writes a free report that you can give away to get subscribers to your list. It even creates and writes the opt-in subscription page to get people to subscribe to get the free report. And it goes on and on and on. It even writes your first 10 blog posts for you, and it can do so much more. Social media posts, ads, all of these things are done, and all you have to do is answer a couple of questions and push a button. Now, PushButton AI is not available to the public at the time of recording this video. And the only way to get in is by invite to our behind-the-scenes beta access. And during your live demo, we'll show you the technology. We'll actually work with you to actually map out an entire course that you could sell as your own. We'll outline the course with you together on the one-on-one Zoom call. And then if you so decide, if you're a good fit, you can come in, join our PushButton AI beta program, and be in business with that very course by the next day. Go to pushbutton.ai/demo to figure out if this powerful technology is right for you. You can register there. You'll book an appointment in the calendar. Be sure you show up. Our team will be very excited to meet you and show you how the tech works, outline your new course for you, and hopefully it's a fit and we can work together to launch your next business.